You might be a smart person that knows how to count, but for the rest of us, there's Excel. There's 3 ways to have Excel count for you, and I like to rank them from count frickin' everything to count only this really specific thing. If you want to count the number of cells that have any sort of information in them, click a blank cell and type equals CountA with an open parentheses. Highlight the area you want counted and close the parentheses. Hit enter and Excel will count how many cells that have any type of information within your range. Keep in mind, Excel is not adding your range together. It is counting how many cells have anything entered in them at all. Next up is the count function, which counts only cells with numbers. You could say if you drop the A, you drop the ability to count letters. Same as before, type equals count with your range in parentheses, hit enter, and Excel will return only the number of cells containing numbers. Last up, the Countif counts only what you tell it to. Let's say that you want to count the number of times ice cream appears in your cells. Your function is going to be equals Countif with open parentheses. First, highlight the area that you want Excel to look for, followed by a comma. Second, type in quotations what you want Excel to look for. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you're struggling in Excel on a certain topic, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. Thanks again.